if I try to add another hole on the side face here, it can't be done because this is a 2D sketch. Okay, you cannot add any holes on this side surfaces. If you want to do that, it's getting more complex, but you could use this 3D sketch one. And then now not only just the top, you can also add it to the side surfaces, and also you can add that on the cylindrical surface. Okay, so we haven't. This is you adding a 3D sketch. There's actually a sketch underneath that in creating a sketch. If you expand that, there'll be a 3D sketch, but we're not going to handle this 3D sketch in this course. Okay, so yeah, just to know that you can do it, but I'm not going to talk how to do this. A little bit different how you can specify the constraints on that, but we're not going to do that.